We're heading uptown to East Harlem, and I'm really excited about this place. It's called El Caribeño, which means the Caribbean. It's not strictly a Dominican restaurant, though the owners are Dominican. It's a little bit of a pan-Caribbean, Latin American restaurant. I'm really excited for the pernil, which is this slow roasted pork, and also the Pollo a la Brasa, which is a rotisserie chicken. It's just that kind of place where it just feels sort of cozy and neighborhoody. Hola, ¿cómo está? Me voy a sentar en una mesa para allá. Gracias. ¿Y usted es de República Dominicana?
Sí.
¿Hace cuánto tiempo está en este país?
Tengo 30 años.
30 años. Bastante.
Sí.
¿Y todo el tiempo trabajando en este restaurante?
Sí. Por eso, gracias a Dios, aquí y las cosas marchan bien.
I was just chatting a little bit with Lydia. It's important to her that the stuff here is very healthy, but she did make a point of saying if you want something super greasy, we can give it to you. And then we talked to... Oh, thank you so much, but no thank you. You look great. Oh, with the floor, with the flowers. Thank you, I appreciate it though. Me gustaría probar su medio pollo a la brasa.
Okay.
Y pernil. Me gusta mucho. Gracias a usted.
Okay, de nada.
Oh, I'm so excited. This all looks so good. This pernil looks fucking bomb. The slow roasted pork shoulder, it's not exclusive to the Dominican Republic. It's common to that area, to the Caribbean and Latin America. We've got the habichuelas, which are the Dominican beans. And we've got the arroz blanco. And I'm just gonna make myself a big bite here. And this is super delicious. It is. And then we got the little pork crunchies here. Really crispy skin and tender meat. This is called mori soñando, and that's a portmanteau of two words, morir, which means to die, and soñando, which means to dream. It's like an orangey milkshake. This is delicious. But I also have frambuesa flavored Country Club. This is the Refresco Nacional Dominicano. So this is the official national beverage, national soft drink of the Dominican Republic. Really sweet, almost bubblegummy flavor. I don't get a lot of raspberry, but okay, this is fine. I really like this creamsicle drink better, this Mori Soñano. This is so good. We're gonna get on to this really awesome looking roasted chicken. It's really tender and juicy. It feels genuine. It feels like home cooking. And that's what makes this place really refreshing. Very satisfying. Really hope you enjoyed this episode, and if you'd like to see more, please click here. These are pure beef. Also super juicy. The meat juices are just kind of running all over the plate right now.